Updating BIOS Gigabyte. In today's video, you are going to learn how to update BIOS Gigabyte B650M. So let's get started. Download the BIOS update, visit the Gigabyte support page for your motherboard and download the latest BIOS update file. Then prepare a USB drive, format a USB drive to FAT32 and copy the BIOS update file to the root directory of the drive. In third option, enter BIOS setup, restart your computer and press the delete key during boot to enter the BIOS setup. Once done, launch QFlash in the BIOS menu. Press F8 to open the QFlash utility. Now here, choose the Update BIOS option and select the BIOS file from your USB drive. After that, confirm the update and let QFlash complete the process. Your system will reboot automatically once the update is finished. That's all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.